What's up, guys? It's 33 Shredder, and today we have the review of Bucky balls. Now, I have had an extensive time to review these and get my thoughts about them, and I apologize to Bucky balls for it being such a long time, but I really wanted to get my feel for them and see how good they last and how much fun they can go for you. So let's pretty much just get into this. So as you see right here, I have this little star thing right now, and you're probably wondering, what the heck is he doing with that? Is he just trying to be cool or something with the cool stars? No, I'm actually going to show you how to make a circle type thing. Now here you're going to have to make, pretty much use all of your Bucky balls, 216 of them, which is actually pretty cool, which I'll get into in a second. So you're going to take up all 216 of your balls right here, and you're going to make these little triangle things right here. Triangle, let me show you a single triangle, right? And you're going to put them together. Now, I'm going to show you how to make a triangle first. So what you're going to do is take 9 Bucky balls, I believe. Yep, 9. Sorry. And then you're going to make a circle. Take 2 Bucky balls that center one and push them together like that, so you get this little teardrop. And take these 2 bottom right here and kind of position your fingers as if you're pinching it, and then push up, and it should connect into a little triangle. Your first time doing this, it may take a few seconds for you to actually figure out how you do it. And you just take it and connect them like that, and they should pretty much just do the work for you. Okay, from here, you're going to take these and make that. Excuse me. And then you're going to take these ones and connect them like that. So it's like a little Adidas type thing, looking thing. No, not Adidas. Yeah, I don't know. Who knows? Who cares? Okay, and then you connect it like that. And then, you guessed it, take the last one right here and connect it right here. And you want this little gap right there. And I'll explain to you that in a second. So what you're going to do here is take this one very carefully. Okay? And you're going to take this one. Watch the way they are. Oops, sorry. Try not to mess this up right here. Nope. And there we go. I'm just going to flip this one around because I think that's on the negative side or positive side, whichever one. Okay, easily like that. And then you're just kind of, oops, wrong way, there you go. And just kind of fold them in like this, and they pretty much do the work for you. See? And then you got this little sphere thing, and you will notice once you make the actual sphere part, you will have 2 sets of these little triangle things left over. And what you can actually do with these is connect them together like this, so you get this little Pac-Man type thing. And connect them like that. And yes, you can make about 2 of these little things if you want to. Okay? And you take this and stick it right there. Now you got it. Oops. Stuck it on the wrong side. But then you make a stand. Let me just take this off real quick. And there we go. Well, you get the point. And it becomes a little stand. Like that. So it's pretty cool, guys. And you get a little stand. It easily comes off. So it's pretty cool. Make a little stand for it. I keep failing right there. Sorry, guys. But that's Bucky balls. And you just smash them and make a bunch of different shapes, as you can see displayed on the box right there. Make a bunch of different things. You can make rings, necklaces. Very large amount of things that you can make with this. I am already about 4 minutes into this, so I'm going to start getting to the review part of it. But that's just a cool little thing show you guys right there to get you guys started off on making a bunch of shapes, and just go ahead and experiment with these, you know what I mean? It gets really fun and entertaining. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get into my thoughts about these. So to start off, Bucky balls currently, if you want me to pull up the website, I can right now. They were about $30 the last time I saw for the original. It was like $29.90 something. And it's a pretty good price. They used to be $34 for the original. So, I mean, if it's going up, then, down, then that's a really good thing. Just because many reviewers were saying that the price was very high, and I do agree with them. The price was high when it was about $34 for the original, and then it was like $37. No, yeah. Okay, so yeah, right now, currently, as this video is being recorded, the original pack is $29.95. And you can also get a gold, silver, and black one, which is pretty cool, guys. I mean, they look really nice. I'll maybe show you the website in a second after this, at the end of this video, so stay tuned if you want to see that. Also, links will be in the description to purchase your Bucky balls right here, right now. And then the silver, black, and gold ones are $34.95, which is what the original used to be. So it looks like they lowered the price, which is very good. So I would think that the price right now for these 216 balls, as I believe I said in the beginning, in each pack they give you 216 little Bucky balls in a little cube, like this right here. And you also get a little carrying case for them right here, which is also a cube. And you just stick them on in here, just like so, and close it up and put it in your pocket. So it's pretty cool right there how they include that little carrying pack. So it'll take you about $30 a round, and the order's placed within the next 3 hours and 26 minutes of this video. Ships the first thing tomorrow. So the recording of this video, I don't know when it'll be uploaded exactly. It is the 18th, April 18th today, so we'll see about that. But yeah, it's pretty cool. $30 sounds like a pretty good price for 216 little magnetic balls. And yeah, so I would definitely recommend getting the original if you want to pay a little bit extra for some colored ones, which you can check out yourself at the website in a second. I would definitely recommend it if you got some extra money and you want to get some colored ones, you know, and get the colored ones. But the original is a pretty good price right now. I think it's reasonable for $30 plus shipping. I believe they have shipping, or is it free shipping? Yeah, it's plus shipping. So $30 sounds pretty good for the original pack. I mean, you do get 216 balls, and they are pretty strong little magnets. I believe they advertise that you can hold up about 8 sheets of paper, regular copy paper, with one little magnet to the fridge, which is crazy good. That just tells you how good the magnet actually is in them. And each little magnet has a positive and negative pole in it, which means that you will get the best out of your magnets. And after a while, I don't know if you can tell, but my hand is a little sparkly there. Now, since I've had mine for a couple weeks now, I have noticed every time I start to play with them, a little bit of the metal coating on it starts to wear off. If I can't find one right here, let me see if I can't spot it, and no. But every now and then there's a little ball that has a worn off little side of it, which, you know, is expected with any magnet that has a metal coating like this, chrome coating over it. That's expected with pretty much any magnet, really, that just from use and rubbing them against each other like this, you know. Over time, obviously, you guys got to understand that the chrome layer will eventually kind of, you know, start to wear off, kind of like you saw on my hand. I believe you guys can see that my hand's sparkling a little bit here and there in the light. But yeah, so I mean, obviously they're gonna wear down just a little bit, but I mean, I haven't really noticed any like less magnetation, so to speak, from the magnets. I'm already about 10 minutes into this thing. So yeah, I mean, I got 15 minutes, so the pretty good magnets with time consuming. Like like if you're bored, guys, I mean, these things will get you going for a long time. Just messing with them like this. They also can become stress relievers. I mean, you know, stress balls. I don't really personally like stress balls just because they make you want to chuck the ball. If you know what I mean, when you start to squeeze it. But these, I mean, they actually do the job of stress relieving just by messing with them, you know. Or if you got a test at school, if the teachers and stuff allow it, which mine do, this actually can be pretty good during tests. I mean, it shouldn't distract anybody else unless they're paying attention to you, which could be considered cheating, which I do not recommend you guys doing. But it's pretty cool, guys. I mean, they can do stress relief, great amounts of entertainment with these, just making random shapes and stuff. You can make a ring here. I'll show you real quick how easy it is. See, so it's not connected. Just take a couple more off this thing. And there you go. You got a ring. So it's pretty cool, guys. I mean, you can make bunches and random stuff out of this. I mean, if you just sit here and mess with it with hours, I mean, I find it to be very entertaining. The price is pretty good. I mean, there's nothing really much else to say about them, guys. I mean, Bucky Balls, awesome company, customer support. Emails do take a little while. They take about a day or two, maybe. Sometimes I've even had emails go between about 3 or 4 days, which, you know, I'm sure they're probably busy. with all the work that they have. But it could be a little faster maybe. But I actually did end up calling the company too and asking them a few questions. And their over-the-phone customer support is actually very great, guys. I actually give a big thumbs up to them for that. And yeah, so overall, guys, Bucky Balls, awesome product to play with. Great stress reliever, great entertainment, hours and hours of just messing around with it, guys. Great price, actually. Now, personally, I do think it's a pretty good price, guys. 30 bucks for 216 balls. I mean, you may think you're not getting that much, but with the amount of things that you can do with them, guys, it's like unlimited. Even right there, unlimited forms and structures. I mean, it's just so much fun to play with these. I've seen people make random, like, crazy cool stuff with a couple of these packages. I've actually seen somebody make like a ship model or something like that on YouTube, so it's crazy with all the stuff that you guys can do with this. And it's just in this little pack, and you can take it wherever you want. So it's really cool, guys. So overall, with the price, I give it a thumbs up. With the entertainment and strength of these magnets, I give it a great thumbs up. And overall, with the company, I give it a thumbs up. So I would definitely say it is a 10 out of 10 product, which I personally do not like giving 10 out of 10s, just because there's always some negatives and stuff. But these magnets they're crazy entertaining. You don't really lose them. They don't really fall. They never actually fall from the pack. I mean, you see right there, I'm still giving it several space, and it's just look how strong that is, you know what I mean, guys? So you won't have to worry about, you know, dropping them and losing a bunch of them, and they stay together, guys. So definitely 10 out of 10 for this product. Good job, Bucky Balls. I've actually only given a 10 out of 10 on a review twice. This is my second time giving a 10 out of 10 on a product. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you want to go ahead and order your Bucky Balls right now, colors, again, silver, black, and gold for $34.95, or original, which is what you see right here, for $29.95. Great price, guys. If you want to go ahead and order yours now, link will be down in the description bar below. And that's pretty much it, guys. Peace out for my next video, and stay snazzy, as some of those guys are saying now. Peace.